Hi everyone, this is Mel at Classic Exhibits. Admittedly, not everyone is an exhibit design search geek like me. But after 12 years tinkering with EDS and adding features and content, I wear my EDS geekdom proudly. The one question I get asked most often is, what's new in EDS? The answer, lots. Recently we added a ton of LED backlit kits, gravity one-step displays, and just last week, 3 island double-deck designs. But today, I'm going to review 2 big changes and 2 positive updates. Let's start with the changes. Reorganize galleries. This one is huge and will make searching in EDS much easier. Gone are the Visionary Designs, Sacagawea, Perfect 10, Magellan, and Segway galleries. All those cool classic products are still there, but we reorganized them into functional rather than product galleries. Replacing those product galleries are modern hybrid exhibits, LED lightbox designs, 10-foot portable displays, and 20-foot portable displays. The 2 portable galleries include all the rotomolded case displays except for the pop-ups like Quadro and FGS. Those we kept separate for obvious reasons. This one simple change should make searches much easier and faster, both for you and your clients. Rental designs. Several months ago, we cross-pollinated rental and purchase designs. Now comparing rental and purchase prices couldn't be easier. At the same time, we added 158 rental kits. There are now over 300 rental kits in EDS, all with purchase prices. Pretty amazing. To find the rental designs, either head to the 3 rental galleries, islands, inlines, and accessories, or when you're in most purchase galleries, look for the rent symbol in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the kit, and you'll see both prices. We've upped the game for everyone with new custom, gravity, supernova, and modular rentals. No one, and I emphasize no one, has more selections than classic rental solutions. Now for the 2 updates. CORT galleries. This update is a work in progress. The 2 furniture rental galleries featuring CORT products have been edited extensively, including descriptions and prices. But there's more coming. In the next 30 days, we're adding even more of CORT's newest designs, more than 80 items. If you are not using these 2 galleries, you should. In fact, I would encourage you to make them available to your clients since the prices are listed in retail. As always, when ordering from CORT, be sure to tell them you are a Classic distributor to receive the exclusive Classic discount. Second update. This update won't change your world, but it's a clever feature on your branded EDS website. Whenever you refresh the page or simply open Exhibit Design Search, the main gallery images change. This keeps your EDS website looking fresh and helps to differentiate it from other branded ones. Most galleries have a rotation of about 7 to 9 images. We are working on even more changes, which we'll announce later. Look for an Exhibit Design Search webinar in the next month where we'll review EDS tips, tricks, and techniques to turn you into a geek just like me. How's that for a compelling sales pitch? Have questions? Send me or Jen an email or give us a call. Happy selling and have a great spring.